Good afternoon, everybody. USA forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center. We have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings today. We're calling today is um, November 30th, 2020, and I'm taping this at 12:44 p.m. And our title calling this severe weather coverage. We do have the threat of severe weather according to tornadic today. No tornado warnings in place, but we definitely going to have to watch these storms really closely. First of all, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect at 2:15 Eastern Time for central Prince County and George counties at 1:38 Eastern Time. Severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from Wismore to Upmore to near Moreland, moving east on 50, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. So hazards 60 miles of wind gusts. So if you're in these communities, you expect some trees that could fall on power lines. If you're in any of these communities, be aware for isolated tornadoes in these lines. So there could be some weak wind sheared. So I'll flip back if that went on too much. So flip there. There could be a little sheared at times. So we'll have to watch this one cell down here just in case we do have storms that get going. Things on mute just for a second. I'm sorry about the radar didn't come working again, so let me fix that. Yeah, this storm still has some weak sheared with it. So just be aware that one warning does. And also we have a severe thunderstorm warning over here that goes in effect into about 2 p.m. South Central King County and Queen County and Central in the Virginia area. Central Richmond County and Eastern Virginia. South Central Westmoreland County in Eastern Virginia, South Central Ecox County, and Central Virginia to 2 p.m. At 1:37, a severe thunderstorm is located over Danville or over Timcon communities around 50 miles an hour. So hazard 60 miles of wind gusts. If you're in the path of any of these storms, if you're in the path of these storms, you would you definitely see some 60 miles of gusts with these storms and main for possible tornadoes. So we're watching these cells real closely today as they produce in these little individual cells. These are the ones will have more of an impact of seeing tornadoes. But I'm going to get radar back on again. I'm very sorry. All right, there it is. So what I'm going to do is keep the live stream up and just keep the radar on. And if we see multiple warnings keep getting issued, we'll pop on to let you know. For now, I'm going to take the mic off and animate the radar. We'll continue to keep you updated. All right, so I want to take a look at a couple more things while we're on here. Hide that. Radar. Sorry about that. I hit the log out button a few minutes ago. So and you can see there is some pretty decent color. This is a significant tornado parameters, folks. And yeah, you get into these dark diffuses. There has been even some, maybe some blue color. That would indicate over maybe a 10 and 9. So we definitely have for potentially for rotating thunderstorms today. So we definitely want to be keeping an eye on these storms a lot. And here's the 18Z, the new model just updated. There is intending to have storms all afternoon that could rotate. And that's why we're into storm mode, is because of that. So right now, I'm going to shrink. I'm going to go back to this. Sorry about all the notes popping on every minute. Go back to this and that and pull radar back up. Hide that. And you can still see we do have storms going on. Severe thunderstorm winds continues, but these storms still could produce some rotating thunderstorms in the last couple hours. I'm still watching them as they move in. Getting reports of flash flooding, 6.3 feet, so we're getting some numbers are coming in for some flooding. All right, severe thunderstorm warnings has got canceled right now, so we might actually go off the live screen for a little bit. It's because we don't have no more warnings in place. But if we start seeing new warnings, I will log back on.